Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be starting this. It's called Multicolored Vases and I'm changing it to Colorful Flowers, I believe is what I said. And we're going to be starting right over here in this flower right here. And the color that I'm using is 3836. Let me pull this out. It's kind of a mauve color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up well or not, but that's what we're going with. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's that day again. Monday. Yay. We are beyond words. I've got to get something to hold that puppy. Well, yesterday was kind of a quiet day until about 2-ish or so, and the guy came and cut some branches that were close to my trailer so that, you know, they wouldn't get heavy with snow and all that stuff. I know what I was going to do. Holy cow. We're just having a day. Oh, goodness. So he was working on that till about dark. But he made progress and made it all better. Thank you so much. And watched the football game yesterday. And the only thing that I stitched on yesterday was my red chamber beauties. So you'll see that tomorrow. So tune in for my floss tube tomorrow at 10 to see the progress that I made on that and others. But yeah, I worked on it, worked on it. Just didn't feel like stitching on anything else. I did lay down for a little bit, and then he showed up and started running the chainsaw, so, but it was time to get up anyway. And I made everybody's favorite liver and onions for dinner. Yeah, just kidding. I know, it's an acquired taste. So, needed a little iron boost. So, had that for dinner. And that was bad. Oh, I did fix kind of a big breakfast. Maybe around 10:30, 11. I had, sorry, I need a drink. I had hash browns and bacon and eggs. I was thinking about making French toast, but yeah, that didn't transpire. I figured I'd had enough bread in the last week and a half between all the biscuits and the crescent rolls last week. I had gotten French bread to go with the stew, so I had that. Yeah, I go through phases, and now I probably won't eat bread for another month, you know. Oh, well, can't say that, because Thanksgiving's coming, and, you know, you gotta have those rolls. So, fun times. But, yeah. There was time in between the breakfast and the liver, so that was a good thing. But yeah, just been kind of, I don't know if I'm just tired or just what is up with me. like I ate that breakfast, and then I just, maybe an hour later, I kind of got a little queasy, and nothing, you know, nothing transpired of it. And then I ate the liver and onions, and it just kind of felt kind of heavy. So, and it was a beautiful day yesterday. I mean, it wasn't like it was freezing cold or anything outside. So that was good. I think there was like calm wind. There's such a thing. Kind of a slow wind. Nothing too carried away. So, yeah. So I got no grand plans for this week as usual. There'll probably be some reviews and Stitch with me's involved, but I don't know how soon or what, you know, will transpire this week. Didn't get any pictures from any viewers. But that's okay. If you have something to share, just send it to my email address, and that's in the description box below. We'd love to see what you're working on. Doesn't have to be cross-stitch. Sure is a pretty color, but it's kind of blending in with that. Well, there you can see it. But there's like a red circle symbol running along the edge of that. So it just kind of blends together here. And then down here you have a red up and down line. So we just can't win. But it did have a big area, so that's why I picked it. These flowers are so pretty. I don't much care for the vase, but come on. Got my little bear out today because I could just get it to move. And she's got a little flower in her hair. Thank you. I think it was Anita or Olivia that sent those. They're so cute. Now I could be way off and have the total wrong person, so I'm so sorry if I got it wrong. But I sure do like them on these lighter weight cross stitches. They don't weigh the dang it, they don't weigh the material down, so that's always good. Almost went too far. Did you see that? My goodness. Some days. Well, it doesn't help that there's a black number right in there. You'd think that muscle memory would take care of all that and just keep moving. Trying to run this thread out. God, what is with the damn needles these days? I was stitching on those ladies yesterday, and I was using the same size you would get with the kit. Not that that actually came from the kit. And it was just really hard to pull it through. So I went to do something else on it, so I got a smaller needle, and that was almost as bad. So I have no idea. I got nothing. We're going to move over here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Don't have any idea how busy it's going to be today at work. But I hope not too horribly busy. I didn't go out Saturday or Sunday that I know of. Which is fine. I need to stay home. It seems like if I go out, I spend money, you know, and get things I really don't really need. So it's just better to stay home. God, when I'm done, you won't be able to see where I've been. Poor pick of color. So sorry. I was afraid that red one, you know, symbol I was talking about was going to be white or 3865. I don't much. Sorry, we got hooked on the teddy bear. Like working with it. So not much going on around here at all. Just kind of quiet. Really? Are you kidding me? Okay, go over there. All you're gonna do is get caught. It's kind of a smallish area. Oh, that was crazy, wasn't it? Trying to get everything on this side done, but it's not helping much. Maybe I should have picked a different place to start. That. Come on. Like I said, I've been working on that 11 count all day yesterday. I think I'm still in that mode. Used to bigger holes. But I worked on quite a few things this past week, so. Not that I made a whole lot of progress anywhere. But that's okay. Those snowy days are coming. But it's not like I get out of work, you know, if it snows really bad, because I'm only like, oh, a block and a half from work. So someone very easily could come and get me. But we haven't had too many days. I can't hardly remember any that we've closed because of snow. Now, when I lived in Kansas, it was a whole different thing. I worked for Dairy Queen there, and the drive-thru would have to be closed because it was a solid sheet of ice, or they were having, I guess you'd call them ground blizzards? I don't know. So that would happen every once in a while, and then it'd take me an hour and a half to get home in the silly snow, so fun times. Fun times. Oh, sure, don't do that. Okay, we'll just do it the hard way, kids. There we go. This needle I have right here is very small. It acts like it's a 28 or a 26. Come on. So what's everybody else working on, or got any plans to go anywhere for Thanksgiving next week? Not this week, but next week, right? I still don't know whether I'm going to my son's or my daughter's. We'll just have to wait and see. Come on. All right, guys. Well, you can see more about what I did on the back than you can on the front. But these flowers are just so pretty. And they don't look too horribly confettied. I've had ones that are just outrageous. Outrageous. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.